Hi everybody and welcome to another dance tutorial of Starseed School of Dance. Today we're going to share with you how to dance the time step in ChaChaCha and some tips for technique improvement. Enjoy! Actions used: side step, foot close with weight change, weight transfer in place, ChaChaCha, left right left to side, foot close with weight change, weight transfer in place, ChaChaCha, right left right to side. Foot position: right foot to side, left foot close to right foot in place, left foot to side, right foot half close to left foot to side, right foot close to left foot in place, right foot to side, left foot half close to right foot to side. Timing: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 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 1. Tips and notes: the footwork for all steps is bolt flat. Turn is not applied. A key element is to keep your posture at all times, which is detailed explained in the video shown in the upper right corner. Also, the use of technique is highly important. Straighten knees in every first, second and third beat of the music. Keep your toes slightly turned out. Do not raise your toes off the ground. Use your hips imagining you create the number 8 or the infinity symbol. This movement is used for teaching the basic rhythm of ChaChaCha. Solo demonstration to music. Varieties of handholds can be used. Some of them are: double handhold in open position, in which we place our hands wide open with the palms approximately on the chest height, with left to right and right to left handhold. Close hold. The couple will be approximately 15 centimeters apart, with the followers slightly to the leader's right side. The leader's right hand is placed on the follower's back and cups the lower part of her left shoulder blade. Without handhold, just use your hands naturally, following the motion of the body's movement. Watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be in touch with all of our videos coming up. As for my ladies, check out the dancing makeup tutorial, which is uploaded on our channel. See you at the next one.